not making the fact that your people immigrated to stolen land. The fact that your people immigrated to stolen land because you were invited by the white man. What are you trying to say? Again, white history about this whole system is messed up. Y'all love white people. Have that energy for them. That y'all don't.
Wanna see what we are dealing with Jamaicans? Wanna see what we are dealing with yourself? Imagine we are mind our own business and try to deal with our own problems. And them low vibrational beings here want to come talk on our behalf. I was scrolling TikTok and came across this live here. And they were disgracing us, saying how we hate Marcus Garvey. And they're the ones that made Marcus Garvey pop off. And they're the ones that make Bob Marley pop off. They were going wild. And as you can see, the title of the post, they're apparently pissed off because not Jamaicans in Jamaica celebrating their Juneteenth. Like, who gives a flying flip about Juneteenth in Jamaica? We have our own National Heroes Day. Jamaicans here are trying to be inclusive in the celebration of Juneteenth, and they have a problem with that. Not Caribbeans or Jamaicans in Jamaica or in the Caribbean, Jamaicans here, as you can see, it's like a New York heading. And they are popping off. One of the girls, and I'm going to link everybody here. One of the girls in the live, she was like, they're always celebrating and doing all these things. I'm just going to go wherever they are and just do my own thing. If they're celebrating, I'm going to show up and make noise. Try that shit. Let Jamaicans and Caribbean people be enjoying their carnival or their dancehall parties. And you go show up and come play your music and come enough up yourself, and you will find out, my girl, you'll find out quick are the wrong set of people you want to deal with. Yeah, the wrong set of people you want to set your demonic energy on. And let me tell you something about these people. These are not African Americans, Know this. Because there's a tier of people. These kind of people do not represent African Americans. You need to understand that there's a tier of people that are in this country. Here's the tier. These people are the lowest vibrational fruit all the way down here. They are the loudest group. They live and breathe under like a hive mind situation. The system is entrenched deep into their systems. There's no longer a soul. There's no longer an individual. It's just a hive mind complex that fuels these people. And that's why they're down here. Because the people that we should be dealing with, the real African Americans, they're all the way up here. You don't hear them. They don't come on here, and they stay away from those people. These are the people that are destroying the African American culture by selling out and selling their asses for $1 and selling their souls and producing waste music and waste movies to indoctrinate the youths. These are those people. Those people where money is everything to them. This is them, the lowest of the low. These are the people that are destroying the African American identity because they so need representation from Hollywood. They so need to be at the table, a table the Almighty would overthrow. These are the people, the loudest voices, always vying for something that is not of value to the human soul. These people, them donyaso, them dirty people are donyaso. They are not these people up here. They are not. I know they're not. And they hate Jamaicans, they hate Caribbeans, and they hate Africans. For what reason, I do not know. And they still have that victim mentality. And they hate us because we come here and we thrive. We come here and we do good while they sit and watch and judge and call us names. These same people. They're the ones that the system set up against us to distract us from our missions and our goals. As if we don't have our own problems in our own countries that we're trying to also fix. As if we don't have our own people. School fee have to pay. House have to bill. Things have to be done. Like we didn't come here to play. Or shit was stolen from our land and brought here. That's why we're here. So we need to understand who we're dealing with. We're dealing with the lowest of the lows. Those are the people who have their podcasts and they have huge followings on social media. For what? Because of that hive mind mentality. They have not broken the code for that. They have not even tried to broken the code for that in the matrix. They're active participants of the matrix. Because look at what's going on in Africa. Look at how people are uniting, and this is how you want to spend your goddamn time. This is how you want to spend your time. You are a literal raccoon and a buffoon and an idiot. Just skettels.